How to order from Etsy using your phone. First, open the Etsy app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, use the search bar at the top to find the item you want to buy. Tap on a product to open its details page. Here, you can view photos, read the description, check the price, shipping details, and customer reviews. If the item has options such as size, color, or style, select your preferred choices before proceeding. After selecting the options, tap the Add to Cart button. You can continue shopping or tap the cart icon at the bottom right corner to review your items. Inside the cart, check the item details, quantity, price, and estimated delivery time. If everything looks correct, tap Go to checkout. Next, enter or confirm your shipping address, then choose your preferred payment method such as a credit/debit card, PayPal, or other available options. Review your order one last time, including the total cost and shipping fees. Finally, tap Place your order to complete the purchase. And that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tutorials.